Okay, so here, unreader or grus, किसमें कौन सा क्या जाएगा? That you have to tell me, and then I'll tell you the meaning for these. Okay.
Can you repeat where we have to put unrather and cruise?
Where nahi? Samriddhi, these are some few sentences here. Which sentence would go in the unreader section? You have to categorize, and which will go in the grus section?
Okay.
You have to guess. For example, lieber Frau, lieber Herr. So this goes in the starting or ending? Lieber Frau, dear ma'am, dear sir.
Starting.
Yeah, so that will come in the unreader. So this is what you need to do.
I'm done.
Okay. So I'll give some time to Samriddhi and Revati, and then we can discuss. Now, okay, super. So, read the sentence yourself and let me know which group, unreader or the grus. First word. Who is going to read it?
Can I?
Yeah, sure. Sana, lesen Sie bitte.
This one. With Freundlich and Grüßen. It will be Grüß.
It is, yeah, freundlichen, not lichen, it's listen. It has to be, CH has to be sound or has to make sound here as sir. So, freundlichen.
With Freundlichen Grüßen, that will go with Grüß.
Grüß. And this means, very right, very right, Sana, Sie haben recht. And this means yours sincerely. Yours, this freundlichen Grüßen is equivalent to, like we write in English, yours sincerely, yours faithfully. This is the regards. Everything goes into this. And this, yeah.
With means with.
Yeah.
Then,
but dear, yeah, but there is no logical translation for this. If I logically translate this, it means with friendly greetings. Yeah, but we normally don't write friendly greetings in English. So in order to understand it, that what does it exactly mean in English, we have to give some English translation to this. That's why the translation is your respectfully, yours humbly, anything like that.
Actually,
but for German, yeah.
It should not be humbly or respectfully because it's a friend. We can do this formally.
Yeah, it's like formal. Just a moment. Whose call? I would just see it. Just a moment. Yeah. Hello. What exactly you're saying? Could you please repeat?
I'm just asking that here Freundlichen is written. So Freund means friend. So then it should be informally. So we can't use words like respectfully and humbly.
You are saying Freundlichen means something related to friends. That's why it should not be used with formal, right? It should be something informal.
Yes.
This is what your exact question, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay, Freundlichen, in German, it's nothing related to friend, right? This Freundlichen is only and only used with and in the same thing, that is mit Freundlichen Grüßen. So you cannot, or nobody can take the word single, like Freundlichen means friendly. It's not that. Mit Freundlichen Grüßen एक phrase है German का, जिसका मतलब सीधा सीधी होता है yours truly, yours respectfully, and this is very, very formal. This is a formal way of ending a formal letter, जिसमें अगर हम जर्मन के हिसाब से ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे वर्ड टू वर्ड, तो इसका मतलब होगा with friendly greetings. Yeah, लेकिन दिस इज नॉट द लॉजिकल ट्रांसलेशन फॉर दिस, बिकॉज ये जो सेंटेंस है ये नॉर्मली क्या है, ये ओनली वन एंड ओनली फॉर्मल लेटर्स में यूज होता है। तो इसका हम वो ट्रांसलेशन बोलेंगे जो इसका एक्चुअल और मतलब जिसको मीनिंग दिया गया है। सो द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस थिंग इज योर्स ट्रूली, योर्स रिस्पेक्टफुली, लाइक दिस। तो आप उसको बस ये ध्यान रखना कि जब भी ये चीज मिलेगी कहीं पे आपको, तो आपको बस ध्यान रखना है कि दिस इज रिस्पेक्ट इन मोमेंट। ये जब चीज आपको कहीं पे मिलेगी सना, तो इट हैज टू बी फॉर्मल, nothing, it should not be informal. Yeah, it has to be formal. Freundlichen, आप word पे मत जाइए, just take it as a formal way of ending a formal letter. Just a moment. Go away from here. Go away from here. Go. Yeah. So it's just a formal way of ending a formal letter with freundlichen Grüßen. Understood, Sana?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am,
Translate word. Yeah,
and then for informal, what will be used?
I'll tell you. So this is for formal way. Then lieber Frau, lieber Herr. Yeah, lieber Frau, lieber Herr. This, where did you put Samriddhi? Anreda or the Gruß? So I told this is a Anreda, right? Salutation. But this thing goes with in both cases. Somehow it's in both cases. Lieber, dear. Lieber मतलब होता है dear. तो dear हम it's like 80% formal और semi formal में जा सकता है. मतलब if you are sending letter to your colleague, yeah, celebrating her birthday, or maybe if you are mentioning your colleagues, office colleagues, and in order to give them a farewell party, then you can say lieber Frau, lieber Herr. Lekin if you are sending this letter to a college principal, your principal or something, then you would not be using this because this is something informal. So for that, you would be using sehr geehrter Herr, sehr geehrter Frau. Sehr geehrter man means respected ma'am, respected sir. So for formal, you would be using this. And for informal and semi-formal, you would be using this. Yeah. Viele Grüße is the informal way of ending a letter. VG, इसको जर्मन शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स में काफी बार यूज किया जाता है एंड नॉर्मली लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं VG. VG means viele Grüße means lots of love. This is the informal version. You got your answer, Sana? This is the informal version of ending a letter.
Okay.
That is viele Grüße, and mit freundlichen Grüßen is the formal way of ending a letter. Then we have sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. This is very, very, very formal. And ये कब आता है? तो for example, if you know the name of कि आप किसको भेज रहे हो, अगर आप मैम को भेज रहे हो तो आप लिखोगे sehr geehrte Frau and then her last name. Because formal में हमेशा last name लगता है. आपने किसी को नाम से नहीं बुला सकते हो. आप अगर आप मेरा लिख रहे हो तो you would write sehr geehrte Frau Paul. अगर आपको पता है कि कोई मेल है तो sehr geehrter Herr and then you would be adding the title. But in case if you don't know who is receiving the letter, you don't know to whom you are sending, then in that case you would be writing sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, जिसका equivalent मतलब होता है respected sir and ma'am. You are addressing both. So when you know that if it is a sir, then you would be writing sehr geehrter Herr. If you know that you are writing the letter to a ma'am, then you would be writing sehr geehrte Frau. But if you don't know to whom you are writing, you are confused that is she a male or is she a female, then you would be mentioning both of them. Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. So all these three, this one, this one, this one, this is a letter or starting of a formal letter. Mint freundlichen Grüßen is the ending of a formal letter, and lieber Frau, lieber Herr is the starting of an informal letter, and viele Grüße is the starting of is the ending of informal letter. So this is how it is. Understood all the meanings here?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Now, yeah. So your homework today would be to write an email. But how would you write an email? So this is the question here. Now, you have got a letter from the club and she invited you for the Jahrestreffen that's going to happen on 25th June, right? So now you have to give answer of that letter. So how do you do that? So you would say, it says Sie möchten zum Jahrestreffen kommen. You would like to go to the yearly meet. Ordnen Sie die Sätze und schreiben Sie einen kurzen Brief an Frau Ahrens. So you have to order the sentences, like means आप पहले क्या sentence बोलोगे, फिर क्या बोलोगे, उसके बाद क्या बोलोगे, and then जब आपका sentence arrange हो जाएगा, then you have to bring along the sentences in one para, and you have to write a reply letter to Frau Ahrens. And you also have to think about a proper Anrede, that is the salutation, and a proper greeting at the last. So पहले यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, जब हम कोई भी इन्विटेशन रिसीव करते हैं तो सबसे पहला सेंटेंस जो हम रिप्लाई में देते हैं, दैट इज vielen Dank für Ihren Brief. Vielen Dank für Ihren Brief. Now, another information piece of it, very important. Whenever you start a mail in German, yeah, after writing this thing, your first letter has to be small. After writing dear, respected, जो भी आपको लिखना है, मेल शुरुआत का फर्स्ट लेटर हैज टू बी स्मॉल. अगर आप vielen Dank लिख रहे हो तो योर V हैज टू बी स्मॉल. या तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे vielen Dank जो है वो स्मॉल V से लिखा हुआ है, इफ यू कैन नोटिस. तो फर्स्ट थिंग हैज टू बी स्मॉल. तो vielen Dank के उसके बाद आप सेकंड नंबर पे क्या, थर्ड पे क्या बोलोगे, यहाँ से सेंटेंसेस को चूज करो अपने हिसाब से, एंड देन लेट मी नो द ऑर्डर कि आपने क्या ऑर्डर सेट किया है. So pehla it's written here, vielen Dank für Ihren Brief. Very thank you for your letter. And then what she would say next, so you have to put number 2 there, then number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. And then that lastly, Gruß. So do it and then we can discuss.